Welcome back to Atwood's Garage. It's falling weekend, Saturday. Please excuse the wind out here. We've got some pretty good weather today. Thoughts to our friends down in Kentucky who got hit hard last night. Sounds like an EF5 tornado went through most of Kentucky and several other states, wreaking havoc. That's which tornadoes do, and they're not quite too uncommon for us here in Ohio. Xenia comes to mind way back, and just several years ago in Trotwood. We just barely missed my work. Anyway, back to getting this VSS sensor hooked up. I have my new S10 sensor, a very expensive pigtail from AC Delco to match it. I've added the wiring. Now I need to get this. This is the Jeep VSS sensor being ran down underneath. Need to get it pulled back, and there's my Dakota box. It'll need to get spliced and get that removed, and the VSS signal spliced back in, and then I'll drag my laptop out here, make my speedo corrections, and give this thing a drive, see how well she shifts. Anyway, sorry about that. We'll be right back. All right, we got wiring pulled back, the Jeep stuff removed. I got my VSS wires here. Measure my length, and I'm good as far as my harness here. I'm going to go back inside and get my soldering iron and stuff, get hooked up out here so I can get it attached. And I'm wearing some nice braided sleeve over top of this, make it look neat. I like to try to get in, maybe getting my 4-low sensor worked on today, but like the weather isn't great out here today. I'll turn this around so I can talk to you guys. That's better. It was 65 degrees this morning, 9 o'clock. It's 11:30-ish right about now, and we've already dropped to 50. We're supposed to be in the 30s by dark, so it's going to be a massive weather shift again here in Ohio. It's a typical December for us. Warm in the morning or cold in the morning, and warm in the afternoon or cold in the afternoon is what it is. But as you see, I dressed for the weather. I built this rig outside, built it through the winter, just put a tarp over it when I wasn't doing stuff. Took short breaks, warmed up, lots of hot coffee. Get them done. It's all about pacing yourself. I would like to get at least the VSS done so I can drive this thing again. Oh, that reminds me, I got to fill my transfer case too. So we'll take care of that before I go anywhere. That'd be bad. Anyways, I get this thing sleeved up, ends prepped to get my soldering gear out here, get these wires hooked up. Be right back. Alrighty, got my harness all done, nice and braided up. These ends done, got my soldering gear, get these wires stripped. Sorry I don't have a fixture to hold my camera to watch all this, but you know, maybe next time. Alright guys, let me get these soldered up for you, get these wires ran, see if we get a VSS signal. Alright, wire ran through. Oh, sorry about the wind guys and everything. Oof. Sensors in, wires in. It's a 27mm wrench that you need to tighten that up. Oh, go get this transfer case filled. Take it for a spin. We'll be right back. Oh, welcome back to Atwood's Garage. So I made a few trips around the block. As you can see, it's now evening. I had other things to get to. Forgot to do my outro. Still have some issues on the second gear shift. Not sure what's going on. HP Tuners is showing my shifter moving from first to second to third to fourth. Reverse and park, neutral and all that. It is seeing those signals. So it's on the park neutral switch. I gotta go over. I guess I need to double check my solenoid wiring and see if I somehow changed something, which I shouldn't have because I didn't mess with the automatic stuff. It still could be a setting. We'll work through it. But this is Atwood's Garage. You have a wonderful evening.